Hisense portable AC not working? Basic checks and fixes. Basic checks are the first step in solving problems with your Hisense portable air conditioner. These checks help find simple issues quickly. They save time and avoid costly repairs. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your unit works well. Power supply and connections. Make sure the air conditioner is plugged into a working outlet. Check the power cord for cuts or damage. Try another outlet if the unit does not turn on. Confirm the circuit breaker or fuse is not tripped or blown. Filter cleaning. Dirty filters block airflow and reduce cooling. Remove the filter and clean it with a vacuum or warm water. Let the filter dry completely before placing it back. Clean filters improve air quality and help the unit run better. Vent and hose setup. Check that the exhaust hose is connected tightly and without kinks. The hose should lead outside or to a window. A blocked or loose hose stops hot air from leaving. Proper venting helps the air conditioner cool the room efficiently. Thermostat settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to the desired temperature. Avoid setting it too low, which overworks the unit. Use cooling mode, not fan mode, for cold air. Correct settings keep your space comfortable and save energy.